Hi. Okay, so we're going to go into this video about what do essential oils support, okay? As I said before, I can't say that they heal, treat, or cure anything. So I have to use the word support. So what are some of the things that you can use essential oils for? Let's see. Let's talk about digestive support, okay? There have been times where my stomach has been tore up from eating something that I'm not used to putting in my body, for instance, hot dogs. If I feel nauseous, I can just smell ginger essential oil from the bottle. When I smell from the bottle, though, I always tell people to inhale from the bottle and then exhale away from the bottle. The reason why you want to do that is because of oxidation, which we'll get to in a whole nother video. But if you are constantly nauseous, you can smell ginger essential oil or peppermint, and that will help with the digestive issues. Also, diluting it appropriately and rolling it on your stomach, whether in a roller ball, as I've talked about in previous videos, or actually putting the carrier oil in your hand first and then putting 1 or 2 drops of the whatever essential oil that you like that supports this, rubbing it on the abdomen, and you're good to go. When I tell you it is quick, like I have rubbed it on in less than 5 minutes, it's like, what just happened? Like my stomach is fine. So that's digestive support. So like I said, peppermint, lemon, ginger. We also have a blend called Digest Zen. It has a lot of essential oils in it, like coriander and caraway, peppermint, ginger, that all support digestive issues. Also, hormonal support, okay? Hormonal support, meaning, that time of the month for women and sometimes men, right? Clary sage is really good for that. Lang Lang. doTERRA also has like a blend called Whisper, which has Lang Lang in it, and some other essential oils that all work on hormonal support. I love the smell of Whisper. It's very calming and very uplifting at the same time, especially because you really don't want to be around anyone during that time. So it really is really good for your body in that aspect. Cellular support like frankincense and lemongrass and thyme and orange, really good for cellular support. Let's see, sleep support. This is a big one. There's vetiver, there's lavender, there's cedarwood. All of those are really good for that. And a lot of essential oils that I'm mentioning, that's just a few of them. There is a plethora of different essential oils that support these things, but just to kind of give you a little small overview. Focus, you can use mandarin, you can use fir, we have Siberian fir, Douglas fir, lime. Those are really, really, really good for focus. For anything that's dealing with, that's not a topical issue, I always say to use inhalers. This is actually, I've shown inhalers in other videos, but you can make a blend in this, and if throughout the day you're like, oh gosh, this is like around 2 o'clock, I'm kind of done, right? But I still got an hour and a half to go. Just whiffing or just doing a full inhalation through one nostril and then through the other one gets to the brain just like that, hits the limbic system, and within moments you feel the effects. Let's see, pain support, peppermint, frankincense, wintergreen. I will do a caution video because I like for all of my customers and friends and family members to all be safe, right? Wintergreen, if you are on blood thinners, You might want to go into more of, you know, the oils that don't interfere with clotting of the blood, okay? That don't thin out the blood, I'm sorry, even more. So if you're taking aspirin, if you're doing all those things, I always tell people about that. Copaiba is also good for pain support. Oh, it's amazing. Whether it's nerve, muscle, bone, it's great. Immune support, frankincense, clove is good, oregano, tea tree, all good for like immune boosting. You can diffuse them into the air, great. And respiratory support, eucalyptus, lemon, peppermint, lavender is also good. Cedarwood is also good. A lot of the firs are really good for respiratory support, like Siberian fir. And also hair growth. If you review some of the pictures of some of my family members and friends that have used this pomade that I make, it's worked amazing for their hair growth. So these are just a few of the things that essential oils can work on. But these are the most common things that people tend to, you know, have issues with and really want to try a more natural approach. So I will see you all on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.